Just waiting for my stream to start. I think by now I should be live on YouTube, right? There you go. Cool. I don't know. I think the quality is low. Okay, never mind. So, guys, it's been a long time. I was off from my YouTube. Almost. I mean, last stream was 6 or 7 months before this stream. So, mm, the live stream was 6 months before, but I'll say the video was just 3 months back. So it's been a long time. So the thing is, AI is gonna, making space for every field. So for cybersecurity, there's also a lot of AI is coming these days. So we're gonna explore some research. Like it's more about getting an update to some of the AI stuff that's going on. So we'll be exploring some of um the stuff from the this blog. Awesome shout out to the original author of this article, Ben. Um, so it's more about using a wildcard subdomain takeover, LLM, pure DNS, all of the stuff we have. So it says like if we want to target some with the domain, we can probably target like these also create the subdomain animation list of Tesla. So this we have to change based on our scope. Identify Tesla DevOps stack, locations, and environment. Consider all of them. Avoid common subdomains that will exist in other security. Okay. So basically, what we're doing is we are trying to get something else that we cannot find from maybe pure DNS subdomain brute forcing that stuff. So we're trying to use an AI for that kind of juicy stuff we can get from AI, right? So make a list of 1,000 lines long, remove duplicate, make the list of easy. So we're doing 1,000 is like basically, I think we're trying to um give some kind of own kind of AI generated stuff subdomains that could be like that's not necessarily has to be an alive, but it's gonna give you a possible could be a lot of subdomains, could be a production environment, could be an testing environment, right? So remove duplicates. Yeah, we definitely want to do that. Make a list easy to copy. Okay, that's we need it. Provide only the subdomain name. Okay, that's fair enough. Full domain. Do not list the number. Okay. So we're gonna try this against um on the target. Let's say for now, what about Oppo? Oppo.com. So I'm just running a free version of okay. For now, I think there are a few limitations. Is for now we can only do this stuff from the premium one. What about we use Gemini or something else? We can also use Google Gemini, I guess, right? There are a lot of a bunch of tools, so it's up to you which one you want to use. So for now, let's see if Gemini is gonna help me or not. Definitely not. Um, but it did give us the old list. Um, which could be a good old list we can ask. So what next we can do is probably gonna copy all these text and pass to the PRDNS is a word list. But I think this one the author is more of trying to use from ChatGPT because it gives the result that we want. Um, right. So what if we just train this one, give like subdomain.oppo.com in this format. So we just added a few lines. So I don't know. it's not gonna work. So we have to use an AI probably. That's more good integration with the ChatGPT Plus. I mean the subscription. What's called? I don't know. Maybe it's called Plus. So this definitely worth keeping a try. This prompt. Um. So yeah, and I think this required ChatGPT. Why don't we just do it? I mean, this is just more about exploring, right? So we can just pass this kind of stuff. I mean, let's see how much we can crack actually with this pure DNS. Never mind. I just don't want my BPS to get down because that's gonna use a lot of bandwidth, so right? Using a DNS and resolvers. But yeah, definitely this is worth trying. So it's a good way actually. It could be, I don't know. I'm not sure we'll find something different than we can have from the existing world list, but definitely, even if you get 2 or 3 extra subdomains, I mean that's a win-win for you, right? So LLM, I try to use it, but there is something wrong with the LLM. I see with the LLM, you require an actually an API key from um ChatGPT Plus, right? It's more like in the same subscription from the ChatGPT, which I don't have. So it's not gonna work for me. I tried it. It gives some error for me. Like this. You exceed the current codes. Please check the billing. And for this, you need an OpenAI API key, which is basically in ChatGPT, and you need a Plus subscription for that also. And what it does, it's basically ChatGPT in a console. That's it. So the usage is like LLM and the same prompt you want to give, and the module. I mean, the model you want to use is ChatGPT for Mini. I guess that's what it's called. And once you got a list of AI and traditional method, create a supplemental list. We'll end up list of potential web server instead of going through a list of manually. We can use a tool like Base of Firefox Eyeballer. What's this Eyeballer? I know Equaton and other screenshot tools, but what's this Eyeballer? That's a new. So let me see the documentation of Eyeballer. It's not so much new. It's already released 6 years ago, at least initial commit. So um, what's this? We have a live something. Drop your installed below. Okay. So we're gonna have to give it a try, right? So um, meanwhile, let me just boot the RDP also. So what it does, let's give it a look. So uses is basically Python 3. It's a Python script, and we have a wait parameter and a model file predict for the locations. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Wait, piece of Fox, I don't know what's this H.5 H5 predict screenshots. Wait, how this works actually? Eyeball screenshots the HTTP response from every host. Okay, use an AI. Okay, to analyze the result of its screenshots and sort them into a category based on the appearance. These category includes all looking page, login page that receives for and web page. To download and install Liquid. Yeah, this is an basically a documentation on how we can I guess we cannot do copy paste. Damn. Okay. So this is the documentation we can use. Uh, Never mind. I did the double paste. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Never mind. So we're gonna just git clone this is stuff. We're gonna give it a try. Web requirement files and what's this adds 3. Downloaded some S3 file. Is it like an engine or something? I don't know. We'll see there. We'll see there. Never mind. So we have to pretty much do a basic installation for pretty much every other file. I want to create a virtual environment if it asks. Yeah, I knew it. I mean, it's really sucks, man. This new stuff, I really don't like it. So I'm gonna just copy and okay, never mind. So we have a basically we can bypass this stuff with just using a break system packages. It's gonna override on a system package. It's not gonna install on um yeah, we kind of fucked up here. It's like basically requirements.txt. I think it's gonna take some time. I don't know. Let's see if it's what it does actually. I'm still curious. Like, what is the purpose of this one? To use enable, we include a parameter called pre-trained model. I think this is like a model. Yeah, this is a model. Um, and folder with our screenshots. Wait. So if I'm not wrong, so what it does is it don't take a screenshot. I guess it's more of um organized than a screenshot. Then wait, is it like that? So now I think we more of a require an own screenshot tools. Mm, then we have to select a folder for. It's gonna take a lot of time to actually install. So I know of a few screenshot tools. One is what was that? Wait, I don't even know. Wait, one is Equaton, right? So screenshot tools for bug bounty. I know a few like Equaton and the other stuff. So what else is there? Screenshots. Let's see. Eyewitness, Equaton, Go Witness, Eyeballer. Okay. So we have this stuff listing here. It's for analyzing and screenshot pen testing screenshots. So mm, I think Equaton is could be the one that I'm gonna use. I mean, this is the 7 year old. So let's go something that is like more often updated, like this one. It's like 9 months old, the last push, and I like it. And I like the new way, but I don't think it's gonna work. That I want. Witness me, eyeballer, mm, eyewitness. Let's see how eyewitness 8 months. Guys, just leave it. Let's go with the Equatone. Do we have like go install? Go install. Yeah, what's the installation? Okay, we have a binary. I think we have a snap install on Ubuntu, so we don't have to worry much about it. So let me open a terminal. Hopefully, if it works. Oh yeah, too fast, right? I know. So we're gonna install an Equatone. Okay, sudo snap install Equatone. Let me enter my password. Equatone not found. So probably we're gonna just go to releases, and the one that we need is AMD ARM 60. What's the diff? It's the same, right? Equatone Linux ARM AMD. Okay, we need an AMD. So copy the link, and pretty much you're gonna go. We have a tool again. Let's gonna do like wget file. There you go. So let's unzip an Equatone. So we should now again unzip Equatone. So we have here an Equatone. Okay. So again, this doesn't matter. We just need a screenshot. So what we're gonna do is just probably gonna chmod plus x. I mean, it's already has an execution permission, but I don't want to set an environment variable right now. Just let's better move it to the bin, right? So just for a demo, just gonna just make an theoretical YT. So just go in YT, and we're gonna try few subdomains. For an example, oh yeah, so we also need this one. So let's paste, and if the paste worked this time, no, never, damn it. Yeah. So we also have an S3 and an eyeballer. Cool. So for an demo, we're gonna use our target. Just use Insult Finder for now because we just mostly gonna target. Do we have a Self Finder? We don't even have a Self Finder. Why we have then? We don't have Self Finder. Damn. We're gonna quickly install Insult Finder, guys. Right. Self Finder. Go install. Okay, not gonna use it. Go find online. Subdomain finder. I think C99, right? C99 and all, yeah, that stuff. So we're gonna use this one for a demo. Sorry for the noise. Sorry for the noise. So we're gonna use a demo here. Just target maybe this same domain for the testing purpose, because we're just gonna see how this actually works. So we just copy to clipboard, come back to our sub. Again, there you go. So we're gonna use an nbeam and just do subdomains the txt for now. This is an our stuff, right? Okay, what was this? Wait, why I'm not able to paste? Come on, paste. Let me paste it. Let me paste it. Okay, this sucks, man. I didn't like it. Okay, at least now it's pasted. So we still have a blank space we don't want. Probably gonna ignore that. Okay, never mind. So let's do like cat and pipe it to Equatone, right? Do we have to like make an um this is good. So do you have to do like wait, Equatone also does a port scan? I never know it. So it says that these ports are open and blah blah blah. It's also taking a screenshot on our current directory, that's our YouTube. So it's saying that there is 15 supplements that is of 200 status. 204 could be anything. One is not found and one is with the server error. 17 screenshots successful, 20 I mean 12 fail. Screenshots 3. Yeah. So we should be having here screenshots, right? There you go. We have 3, not much, 3. Okay. So we're gonna use the tool finally. The tool, this one. Eyeballer, then we have this weight. Let's gonna copy like this. Come here and BPS. It's gonna do Python 3 and the tool eyeballer. Oh yeah, where is that? I think it's on eyeballer, and we have eyeballer.py, and what's that next to? This is like weight. Let me see the weights, weights, and we have to pretty much keep the path again eyeballer. There is something like h something, right? The file is bishop. Or what else is there is predict in the screenshot folder. Okay, sounds good. Predict screenshot. So let's see if it's really work, and let's see. But the thing is, it's only took the screenshot of almost 3 pages. Why not take for the page that's like there is literally 15 pages that has 200 status, right? Oh, it's doing something, guys. It's using an AI. I don't know what's happening. There's a lot of error. Yeah. Um. Okay. That's not that's not what we wanted. So we have a module downloaded and output file written to result.csv. We have a CSV. No such file directly found. Okay. So it's supposed to. Okay, this is the file that it created. But did we have that before? We already had it right before running it. We had these Equatone report, Equatone JSON, and Equatone URLs. But now we have a result the CSV. Okay. What's this? I mean, what is there in this one? I'm really curious. Let's see. Let's see and open our Equatone report.html. I don't know it's gonna open or not. It's supposed to open. Yeah, there you go. By the way, we already have it. Why we need a third party tool like Eyeballer? We have the screenshot, guys. We have the status. We have the technology. We have here more detail if you want. Very good job. What about the CSV file it created? What's on results to CSV? I think did we fucked up, guys, or what? Let's give it a live try on this one. Let's see what happens when we upload these photos um on that piece. Okay, let's try to upload the photos from an YouTube. There you go. The screenshots. Probably gonna control A and open. Being honest, I think this is just an extra stuff. I don't see any value from this eyeballer. Um, I think I will say probably go with okay, do we never included what's this web page, login page. I think this is actually will be cool one, because we have this not included, and it's gonna say if it's an old page, login page or not. But if you see, I mean, if you try to see the default HTML it created from the Equatone report, yeah, just see this one now. So if you compare side by side, it practically shows the stuff, but it just don't categorize, right? So we're gonna give a chance to eyeballer one more time. So for that, we're gonna not use Equatone, but something else, maybe Eyewitness. But so how's the installation goes? Installation. Mm, is also in Python script. Is it? We have a release, so let's see if we have like no, it's just basically Source. Mm, it also gets a report. It says it's on our Debian. So if it is there, we're supposed to get an installation. Okay, sudo snap install Eyewitness. You have like apt install. No. So let me see. Okay. There is a complete guide, so probably you can find also an installation guide hit there. So let me see first the installation guide. It's for the window, but what we need is never mind, it's not there, guys. We've been scammed. Probably going with something else. What's the most common tool that people use for maybe Go? Go seems these days too much fascinating. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try. Let's give it a try to this one. Let's see if we're gonna find something good with this Go Witness. It's gonna take sweet time. So let me see the uses, right? Co-witness scan single URL. But what we need is it's an SQLite base. It also gives a title. That's cool. It's more like an HTTP expert, an advanced one. Okay. I think HTTPX is more like retarded, but I'll not say. It's an independent one single liner URL. You can pretty much type it to anything and get whatever you want, right? Report list, DB URL, SQLite, and damn. So how it works. Otherwise, blah blah blah. And a screenshot with white DB. There are many more flags, coordinates, health. Yeah, there is an advanced documentations if you want to use. So let's go to uses. This is for a single. What about a multiple? Can give a destination. Damn. Don't say we cannot do for a multiple. Okay. So we're gonna go for some community help. Let's see for multiple URLs. So this is the documentations. This is for Nmap. It's more like in server. It's like take you formatting the JSON. We don't need that. What we're looking for is in multiple URL list. Oh, wait. Or list of URL. How? How for a list of URL? How to use for a list of URLs? Damn, this is bullshit. I'm not bullshit definitely, but I'm getting pissed off from the users. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay, this is what we need. Okay. So if I'm not wrong, we can do like this. So we have go what's the name? Go witness. Yeah. So we have go witness ready, and so what we can do is we can do like go witness source file subdomain. We're gonna do like subdomain. But do we have to man subdomains.txt, right? Um okay. So after that, what's the documentation saying? I think we also have to give a yeah. This is now we given a path and and a screenshot. That's this destination. Probably I assume, or maybe we can just we don't need JSON. I mean none of these. Let's focus on Okay, I think we better need all of these. What I think trade. It seems in someone you know did good. So we're gonna just paste all like that and just probably gonna do dot. I mean, if this dot knows, okay, we fucked up, guys. I think this go witness is not the go witness we're looking for. Um, something else. Um, so we gonna do. What if we just pass like an equatone? I mean, what I mean is like subdomain and not equatone, obviously, but just go witness like this. Okay, never mind. We just fucked up with a typo here with the subdomain. There you go. Not gonna work. Oh, jeez. This can. Yeah, can. Damn. I think we need. Oh, really? Oh, oh, oh. I think we got it, guys. This is F. This copy this one, and it's F. Um, so it's file hyphen F. So I think it's work with not source, but if we just do hyphen F, please. Yeah. Coordinates file, but we have file, right? Oh yeah, we scan. We miss scan, guys. Yeah. So we miss here scan. But we also don't have resolution, so probably gonna um just to be safe, we don't need this one. Don't even have destination. That's fucked up, bro. That's fucked up. I'm pissed off now. You know what? Fuck it. That's it. That's it. We don't gonna do anything. Just here. Subdomain. That's it. Okay, let's see what happens now. If you get lucky, we'll see result, but we need a folder, right? This should be an option and a screenshot. I don't know. We don't want to write on DB, write a screenshot. I think we first in SQLite. What about the folder? What about the okay? So you're gonna let that run for a few minutes. I think we just kind of fucked up. We could have just given a destination like this, right? Did we fuck up or what? I don't think so. Uh, do we have the right DB on the uses? We have a disabled DB. I think it's just if you use the right DB. Okay, now I can see result. and there is few, but what have a screenshot false. What does that mean? But we need a screenshot, right? So if we just go in a screenshot, we have the old one. Just remove this whole screenshot, and what we're gonna do is destination. I don't know. It's like destinations or destination. Let me see. It's destination, right? Destination. Maybe here. Hold on now. We don't have a destination. Let me see. Kind of sucks, man. I really don't like it. The screenshot path. I mean, that's what I'm looking for. The path is this one. Please work this time. Please give me something crips. So what we're gonna do is, I don't know. I just wanna do a good taste, you know. Just let me copy the whole stuff and it's coming back to an RDP, and let's make a folder in temp. Let's say SS, right? um yeah, never mind, we kind of fucked up. So let's make it directly on temp SS. So we're gonna do is, we're gonna paste the command, and on the path we're gonna give like temp SS, but we're gonna remove this write db. I think it's gonna writing everything in our database, so we don't want, and let's increase the thread to an 80. Let's see. Let's see if it works. So we already have, okay, it kind of sucks, man. You know what, we're gonna just copy it and feed to entire GPT. What there is no screenshot. Increase the timeout with default slow first screenshot manually hyphen screenshot. Do you even have that screenshot? Why nobody knows that? I mean, guys, being honest, this system is more about getting up to date and just trying new tools. There's nothing you can probably learn. So I was kind of getting bored, so that's why I joined here. It's not a big region, you know. Don't say my stream was off. All right. Okay. So what I was doing, what I was doing. Yeah. There is no screenshot, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna force after probably here. We're gonna select hyphen screenshot. Okay, let's see on temp SS. We have one screenshot. We have fucking one screenshot. This is pissing me off. This whole tool is supposed to take a screenshot, right? If it's not taking a screenshot, then that's the point on using this fucking tool. Maybe you know what? Maybe you know what? I think the issue is with the domain, you know. So I think we can do one thing. Just go here and search youtube.com. So you're gonna have a lot of them. So you're on 25. That's suppose. I mean that's fine. Maybe not fine. Yeah, very good. Copy and let's go to an artificial. So I see it's kind of fucked up. I didn't see any point in doing this. Um, we don't have a screenshot flag. Yeah, we don't. Kind of sad. So let me do like n1.txt. This is for the new subdomains that we have. Okay. So let's go to YT and be and to the txt. I'm just trying to paste it. So and to the TT. Okay, never mind. We have a TT. What we're gonna do is run the same fucking thing without any screenshot this time, probably, yeah. And changing it to an and to the TT. I mean, I don't get it. Why there is so much issue for tool just to open a page and take a screenshot? By making the thing so complicated, why cannot they just give a pipeline? It's like pipe the domain and screenshot. Just like Equaton, but I don't know why Equaton is so fucked up. It didn't work. It didn't take a screenshot. Maybe it does now. I think we should give a chance to an Equaton also, right? I don't know why not. Let's give a chance to an Equaton. So first, let me remove this Equaton everything. Just and do the TT Equaton. Please, Equaton, just do your work. I don't want to use the third party tools, you know. I just trust you. Just take a screenshot for each and every subdomain you can find. Just do it. Um, it's saying in something is wrong, right? Did it work? Let's see. No, it didn't. I think we fucked up again. Like I always. No, sorry. So, it's not working. Scan, thread, scan thread. Oh wait, can we do something? Um, I see. I see. What's the issue with this one? The what happened is it's not probing. I'm so dumb. Is this? Did I crack the code now? I mean, what Equaton does is also probe, but that tool. I mean, what's happening? Oh God, screenshot, screenshot. Damn. Oh, we have a lot of screenshot now. So we're gonna do like Python. Yeah, let's see if it works now. And I don't want to have the same error with creating an error page from this one. Like last time, it it had some issues creating an HTML file and was only able to create um, the CSV, which I didn't like it. Yeah, I mean, what I said is, when I said cracking a code, I mean, I think we Go with this also has that feature, HTTP or something. I don't know. Even if it doesn't have, who cares? I do. So, just kidding. So we're gonna do is HTTPX hyphen L and to silent. Maybe just open to HTTPX.txt, and we're gonna do is now copy this stuff. Maybe we can just type go witness scan. I fucked up on spelling. I saw it. Go witness scan file hyphen F and maybe httpx.txt and threads. Let's give it 50. Standard and just save it on temp SS. Okay. So we don't even have httpx. I knew it. I knew it. Damn. Oh god, this is an old httpx. This is not httpx from Go. So maybe we can just utilize it. Um, Never mind. Fuck up. I don't want to use it. So we're having issues again with creating in this file. You know what? I think we should move on, right? So we don't need a CLI always, right? Because we also have a GUI version. Okay, we already have a browser open. Sorry. So already have a GUI version of the one that's this eyeball. Okay, let me close this one. So this eyeball stuff. So we're gonna just do a restart, upload this new screenshot. And I think it will be obviously better if we can do it from a CLI, but I need to solve this issue, right? I mean, at the end, you just get the idea like it's pretty much gonna do the same stuff that we're gonna get from this processing stuff. So I don't know what's wrong with this one. Maybe you can just maybe just copy and feed to ChatGPT. Let's see what it has to say. We can also do like this. we have a few options to try on. Let's quickly do it if it's out. So we have these obviously not working. Eyeballer. Ah, I see. I see. I see. I see what was the issue, right? You also see, I also see. Okay, hold on. So what we can do is where's the eyeballer? Python 3. Okay. So we have this, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna we're gonna run this, but not from here. We're gonna run this from eyeballer here. So just paste it. Okay, never mind. Paste it. And in predict we have to do is like go to NYT and screenshot like this. I think this should work now this time. What about web page custom 404? Um, again, we have these kind of analysis. We have um, we're gonna see. We're gonna wait and wait for this stuff to complete and let's see how it will actually work this time. We have a visual HTML. Cool. Where is that? So we're gonna just quickly see what this visual HTML is. See the eyeballer, visual HTML. Oh yeah. So it's kind of cool. I would say, yeah, definitely you can use uh parse it to also an Equatone. Definitely, yeah. Equatone. Not don't use an eyewitness or I mean the CDS tool. Go witness. I don't know CDS if somebody knows how to use it. It's good, but it didn't. It was not for me. Being honest, it was not for me. Equatone it did a great job. I would say like it was nice and clean. Like definitely. I would like to include it when I do a bug bounty next time. This is good one. So vulnerability identifications. Now a list of potential target. We can start identifying vulnerabilities. One of the have been around is April for FOF. Okay, I actually didn't use a Ferox Buster. Um, just give me a sec. Someone texting me. Yeah, sorry. So what we have is an FOF AI integrated AI to provide extra feature while maintaining the same syntax. Okay. Okay. So oh god. So we don't have an API. I guess we can socks. So the API is probably we can need for and ChatGPT Pro, right? Damn. So let's say we found an endpoint Tesla program and identify a valid endpoint. By installing Infofi, I will search the endpoint and we can use or add them automatically. Okay. So what's happening is basically in a fourth parameter is fourth path. Okay. So what's happening here? Let me see. We have Python 3 for AI and URL, the path to phrase and whole list. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Being honest, I will say there is a better one. Um, I mean not better one, but what I use is um Ferox Buster. It also has an AI integration. I don't know if I have this on BPS or not, but yeah. So it's also have an AI. I mean not AI. Basically it's a hyphen smart, something like an AI. We really don't need an here in any API key or something. So we had, I mean, this has at least this has an parametrical smart. There you go. It's like basically auto tune, blah blah blah. Definitely not helping, but for AI, I'll give it a shot for AI. But the only downside I see is an open AI API key, which seems costly if you have to buy. If let me know if I could be wrong, but the one I last tried using my API key, it says you have to buy or like billing something. Okay. So we have a nuclear AI extensions. I know it's been there for quite a few time by now. It's like okay, no extension actually. Right. Nuclear is a Chrome-based extension that generate a nuclear template by highlighting proof of concept. Right click, blah blah blah. And we have a zip file here. Let me see what there is. We have okay. We have an extension zip, so we'll have to go to Chrome, blah blah blah. Let's go with okay. So we have this one also. Let me go to here. Enable developer mode, toggle, right click, load. Okay, cool. Developer mode, so load, um, download. Where is it? So you're gonna see this screen. Let me see the path. CT file, so an explorer. Where is it? It's in fucking download, but I cannot see. You know, I'll just do Control X. And never mind. Control X, desktop, Control V. Okay, that should make me easy to find. Damn. Yeah, I think I have to extract it. Do I? Let's see. Okay, I even extract it. Let's try to load it now. Okay, I think it worked. The nuclear power AI template generator. So we have it now. So after installation, we can either go on any site and generate template. HackerOne to generate template from disclose report. Going to an HackerOne will now so button to generate a okay. Okay, let's see. Extension. This is a nuclei. Let me click it. Damn, this is doing nothing. Come on. Maybe I'm not able to use it. Damn. Okay, I'll have to see what this really is. This one now, just skip it. Shift. Yeah, I'm using it. Kaido. What Shift is? Shift is Ali anticipated Kaido bringing assist. Oh yeah, I know. It's also needing money. You know, last time I tried Shift, they're asking money for this. Like, God. Yeah, obviously you have to pay something to get, but Um, I mean, you just cannot buy everything that you see, right? You have to do a lot of research and yeah, I know about Sift. So exploitation, many LLM will prevent you from making a direct questions exploitation. So you have two options. To okay, struct uncensored chatbot, blah 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 includes okay, what is this? Let me see what this is. I mean, let me close down on this stuff. Um, okay. There is an open cell offensive security and cyber security. Okay, let me see. Locally run. We don't want that. Who runs locally? Come on. So we have Kindle, White Rabbit Neo. Okay. So use it for free. This seems free, right? Probably I'm gonna disclose my Gmail. Let me just go to here. Let's make it blank. Sign in with Google. This using account. Continue. There you go. I think I can turn it on now. So it's saying free. So maybe we can just ask. Given obfuscated PowerShell payload for reversal. Okay, let's see if it does. Um, okay, it does. Okay, cool. So if I just copy the same command and go over and chat GPT and ask, we have a clear fucking answer that it cannot help it. Yeah, maybe I could say this is for educational purpose. Okay, what about now? Okay, this is cool. I like it. So at least we have um, this one. I don't know how accurate it is, but I think for payload creation, it does a great job. I'm gonna save it to, I mean, pin it. Yeah, someone pin it with the AI. Oh wait. I'm not promoting any anime site. Come on. Offensive security. Yeah, okay, fine. Although from the offensive security, but yeah, you get it right. So we have next is exploit from jailbreak LLM. I mean, yeah, I know this one. Blah blah blah. It's not working anymore. It's requiring a report writing. That there is an AI for that. Wait, wait. Bounty, please. I'm gonna save it. Never mind. So what's how this is gonna work? I mean, what's the difference on using that one and a normal chat GPT? Writing report, it's aimed to answer common questions that are example, it gives the CVS score for vulnerabilities where basic disclosure, generate a detailed report using a blah 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 host finding. Okay, let me see how it works. Yeah, pretty much what normal GPT does. It's not a big thing. You can make it in any GPT work like that. Just giving a fresh few prompt. I mean, what you want. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, we completed it. Yeah, I think that's all for this video. It's more like not dating. It's just like I was lost for so long time, and I just wanted it back from an long pause. Probably I'm gonna do a few machines these days, if I get the time. But yeah, it's more about getting updated with an AI. What new AI tools are there? I found few one. I mean the most interesting I found was only um what's that called? Eyeballs. Sophia is also good, I'll say. I mean, let me see the Sophia once more. What it could be? Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I see. It's from an API, blah blah stuff. Mm. So what it does is basically a normal FOF from here, and you just have to append this FOF AI, and it does it work, right? I mean, yeah. But let me see GitHub. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I guess that's much all for this live stream. So hope you guys, I mean, you didn't learn it, but I hope it's more of an update. I think you also learned it, right? If you just went through the old videos, there's a lot of new AI that's out there, but not so much interesting. I mean, I've been using ChatGPT for daily, but there are a few. I mean, I like the eyeball. I mean, that's all. Fluffy could be a good one, but you need an open API, which could be costly or you need to buy. And there is also a Shift from the Kaido, which is a great one. I mean, you can use it. It's me. So it's an AI power plugin. It's costly. I mean, you have to buy it. I guess it's not free at least. Yeah, there is a buy $20. I mean, could be big for many countries. Could be like just nothing, right? For me, it could be a big one. I mean, $20 is much, right? Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoy your day. I mean, the video and have a good day. Let me saw what the have a nice day. I mean, the night. I don't know. For me, it's already midnight. So see ya. Take care. Peace out.